Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí iléeṣẹ́ wa gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ọdẹ ọdún bí ṣàlàáfíà la bá gbogbo lé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe. Lọ́wọ́ yìí gbogbo awuyewuye bí gbogbo ẹ ṣe ń lọ nílùú yẹn tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n pariwo pé ìlú ò rọgbọ. Àwọn tí a fi jẹ oyè àwòdì tó jẹ́ pé wọn lè gbẹ́dìyẹ oríṣiríṣi láti gbọ́. Lọ́wọ́ yìí wọ́n ti ta sí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbajúgbajà lọ́ọ̀yà activist tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Dele Farotimi, gbajúgbajà agbẹjọ́rò ti Nàìjíríà ni ó jáde tán ó ti ta sí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Ó ní pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà, pé iṣẹ́ tí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tó gbà pé a máa mọ iṣẹ́ tó gbà, pé kò bá dẹ̀ da tí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tó bá mú ijó tó bá mú lókùnkúndùn, tó bá mú eré ijó lókùnkúndùn. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé gómìnà yìí máa ń jó gidi tí àwọn kan fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ tán fi ń pè ní the dancing governor. Lọ́wọ́ yìí Dele Farotimi bàbá jáde, bàbá sọ oríṣiríṣi nípa gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ tí bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn kan wọn dá Dele Farotimi lóhùn. Kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ń gbèjà gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Dele Farotimi ti ṣe sọ, ó ní àní tí gbogbo ẹ ṣe lé koko pé nǹkan tó ń expect kí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun òun ni pé kí ó lọ fún dancing competition. Pé at least tó bá ń ṣe dancing competition ó máa dájú gbogbo nǹkan tí ó gbé dání tí kò mọ̀ ń pa oríṣiríṣi. Ọmọ Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti kọ hardship. The only thing I would have expected of the governor of Osun State is a dancing competition, and this had been said by Dele Farotimi. Under this Nigerian lawyer and author, Dele Farotimi has delivered pointed criticism of Osun State's governance, particularly targeting what he sees as a disconnect between leadership priorities and the state development needs. Speaking during an interview on the News Central TV, Farotimi outlined his theory about how governance failures become apparent through budget analysis. Well, let me say this. When there is a disconnect between those who govern and the persons they govern, it becomes easier to find the evidence when you look at the budgeting, he explained. The lawyer who identified Osun as his home state described a paradox in the state's resources profile. In a state like Osun, that's my home state. It's a very poor state in terms of federal allocation, but it is a very rich state in terms of human and material resources, Farotimi observed. Now, he attributed the state's challenges to what he characterized as inadequate leadership vision. Inadequate leadership vision, but unfortunately, it has always been bedevil by people with a limited imagination. The legal practitioner stated this, and Farotimi then directed specific criticism at the current governor, Adeleke, making reference to the governor's well-known dancing ability. The only thing, according to him, the statement, and I quote, yes, he says, the only thing I would have expected of the current governor is maybe a dancing competition for the state. But unfortunately, he has not even thought fit to make the state a destination for dancers. Yeah, so and then he remarked on this. Meanwhile, the lawyer concluded with a critique of what he perceives as misplaced priorities, but he appears to have found the capacity to travel a lot. Hmm. Farotimi said, suggesting that the governor's focus may not align with the state's development needs. His comments reflect broader concerns about leadership effectiveness and then resource allocation in Nigeria states, particularly those with limited federal funding but significant untapped potential. All right, and then exactly what Dele Farotimi just made clear right now. Majority of people, let me say, are not pleased with what he actually said. According to him, said with the hardship that we have been faced with in this country, most especially in the state that he himself came from. According to Dele Farotimi, bàbá ní pé ọmọ Ọ̀ṣun gan lòun náà ṣùgbọ́n bí gbogbo ẹ ṣe ń lọ yìí o pé ẹni tá a fi jẹ oyè àwòdì àrògbé ó lè gbẹ́dìyẹ ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan táwa ń rò ń pa ẹ̀ ní pé at least tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ijó ló mú lókùnkúndùn ó níbi tá a bá ti bá dé báyìí. Lọ́wọ́ yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n jáde pé ọ̀gbẹ́ni kí ni problem tiẹ̀ bó dàbí bó ti pẹ́ tó ti wá sí ìlú Ọ̀ṣun gbẹ̀yìn pé tó bá dé ìlú Ọ̀ṣun wàá mọ̀ pé ẹni tó pè lóníjó ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ lọ ó ti ṣe iṣẹ́ rabidun pé tó bá mọ̀ pé ó ṣùọ̀ fún ìwọ náà tiẹ̀ lọ gbé gba local government bóyá wàá tiẹ̀ win ṣó easy ni. Lára àwọn nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń sọ rèé tí wọ́n fi ń bá Dele Farotimi wí. Now, a lot of no reactions have been gathered onto this one. According to guests, it says, well, Farotimi is only seeking attention and then cheap popularity. He may be from Osun State, but does he really live here? Okay, the answer is no. Maybe it's been a long time he has come around. He should rather come home to see the wonders the dancing governor is performing. Okay, that's serious. All right, so according to Ayobamiji Adekunle, okay, he says, if you can do better, Dele Farotimi, we are talking to you. If you can do better, why not leave Lagos State? Come back to your home state in Osun State. Gather your groups, capture your local government, campaign, and then win the chairman. Thank God for local government autonomy. All those good governance policy, then you explore it instead of you throwing shades at Enieleni. All right, so according to Samson Abolaji, say, well, according to him, he had made it clear that the most damaging aspect of contemporary living is short-term thinking, to make the most of your life. Yes, so right now, according to what Farotimi has said, this man is making it clear that Farotimi just leave our dancing governor alone. Leave our dancing governor alone. He's trying his best. Yeah, so according to what Koseni Nike, you say, okay, well, over to you, Governor. Okay, he says, Governor Adeleke, we need to see your dancing competition now with what this man have said. I think you yourself, you need to do something actually about it. Yes, so dancing competition now with Osogbo as the dancing capital of Nigeria. Maybe one day a Nigerian will be crowned dancing champion of the world. Funny. All right, so gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá oríṣiríṣi gbogbo yín náà ló ti yé gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá yìí ti ṣe sọ nípa gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Láìpẹ́ ni gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tí wọ́n wọlé padà sí ìlú lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà. Bàbá ní àwọn ti dé, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n kí wọn káàbọ̀ pé bàbá káàbọ̀ ṣe dáadáa lẹ́dẹ̀ ó yá continue níbi tí ti stop. Yorùbá Nation lọ́nà àbáyọ bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ Yorùbá Nation ló lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àníri jù báyìí lọ lórí ilé. A ó máa bẹ ọ̀bẹ níbẹ̀ ṣọ àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ abẹ̀nà ò ẹni tó bá lámábọ̀là ní débá kí Elédùmarè kó bùkún fórílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Ó dàbọ̀.